Clear a 13.D3 paper jam for the HP LaserJet Enterprise printer series. A 13.D3 error code on the printer control panel indicates a paper jam in the duplexer area. Pull tray 2 completely out of the printer. Remove any jammed or damaged sheets of paper seen. If no paper is found, lower the duplex path tray. Remove any jammed paper from duplex path. If no paper is found in the duplex tray area, close the duplex path tray. Reinstall tray 2. Open the rear door. Gently remove any jammed paper. Caution! The fuser can be hot while the printer is in use. Wait for the fuser to cool before handling it. Close the rear door. If the steps in this video have not helped resolve your printer issue, contact HP customer support at hp.com/go/contact HP.